Welcome to Lichtsinn RV here in Forest City, Iowa, the home of the Winnebago Motorhome Factory. I'm Ron Lichtsinn, and I want to thank you for your upcoming purchase here at our dealership. You have a big day ahead, so we put together a short video of what to expect with your time with us so that you can experience the best here at Lichtsinn RV. Whether you are purchasing a new or pre-owned RV, prior to picking up your RV, you'll want to make sure to schedule a delivery date and time with your RV sales consultant. In addition to this, we want to make sure that you have a scheduled orientation time when you will meet directly with one of our factory-trained technicians who will take you through the total operation of your new-to-you RV, including recommended maintenance, and answer any questions you may have. If you are placing an order for a new RV, your sales consultant will provide you regular updates of exactly where your coach is at in the manufacturing process so that you can schedule your delivery date accordingly. These delivery and orientation times are dedicated time just for you, so you'll want to ensure these times are scheduled prior to coming to the dealership. If you find you cannot make your delivery time, let your sales consultant know as soon as possible and we can reschedule it for you. If you have items you will need assistance with while you are here with us, for example, a dinghy tow car setup, satellite receiver transfer, etc., please be sure to let your sales consultant know about this ahead of time so that we can schedule ample time with our service staff to facilitate the timing and payment of these items. Before you take possession of your RV, it will go through an extensive pre-delivery inspection completed by one of our RVTI certified RV technicians to ensure everything is working properly before you arrive. You may be asking, how do I get to Forest City, Iowa? If you are trading in an RV, you'll want to take in the countryside and drive in with your trade. If you are flying to us, we can schedule a driver to pick you up at either Minneapolis or Des Moines International Airports or the Mason City Regional Airport at a nominal charge. When you arrive at our dealership to take delivery of your new-to-you RV, please come to our South Office Sales Building where your sales consultant will walk you through your agenda for your time with us. We invite you to schedule ahead with your sales consultant to spend a few nights with us here in our all-new expansive campground. We have 43 campground sites at the dealership with full 30 and 50 amp electrical service. We also have free filtered soft water, free high-speed Wi-Fi, and your tanks will be full of propane for your stay here with us. We will also provide you a courtesy car as available. We invite you to spend a couple of nights with us, which serves a couple of different purposes. It allows you to become acquainted with the RV, and then we are here the next day to answer any questions that may come up throughout the night. And if you do have a vehicle that you're trading in, we will park the RVs side by side to allow you to move freely from one RV to the other right here on site. Including in your delivery agenda will be a meeting with our business manager to complete all of the necessary paperwork, including title work, warranty registration, and any necessary funding documentation. You'll need to bring a few items when you come to pick up your new RV. Number 1, a current driver's license for each person on the title. Number 2, proof of insurance. And number 3, payment. Be sure to discuss options with the business office in terms of payment options and estimated title release with our business office prior to arrival. And we need a few additional items if you are trading in an RV. Please bring, number 1, the trade title, number 2, the owner's manual for the trade, including all aftermarket items, number 3, any factory installed equipment that originally came in your RV that may be in storage, such as bedspreads, chairs, coffee pots, pillows, etc. Number 4, all keys for your trade. And finally, number 5, for Iowa residents, please bring the current trade registration and your Iowa license plates. We welcome you to sit back and relax in either of our 2 guest lounges, where you can enjoy a cup of coffee and free Wi-Fi. In the service lounge area, you can also look out onto our marketing studio as the latest photo and video shoots are happening.
Take in a world-class Winnebago Factory tour while you are here in Forest City. Tours are held Monday through Friday from April through October, and your sales consultant will be able to provide you with current tour timing. You can get any RV parts and supplies that you may have forgotten or find you need in our 7,000 square foot RV camping supply store. It's a great place to shop for RV must-haves as well as any other items to make your RV experience more enjoyable. Right after your delivery, check out our walkthrough wall in our retail RV parts store, which features the top accessories that many of our guests select. It's great for first-timers as well as experienced RVers looking for an upgrade. In addition to the Winnebago Factory Tour and the RV Parts Store, we have a number of local restaurants, grocery stores, area campgrounds, historical sites, and other attractions you can enjoy while you are here.
Again, thank you for entrusting Lichtsinn RV with your upcoming purchase. We look forward to the beginning of what we hope to be a long-term guest relationship, assisting you with your RV needs in sales, service, and parts. If there is anything that we can do before, during, or after your RV purchase that would improve your guest experience with us, please let us know. We are looking forward to getting you on the highway, well equipped to experience whatever adventures lie on the road ahead.